This technology sounds like something pulled straight from science fiction, yet it's being tested in real hospitals on real patients right now. Researchers believe that within the next decade, these interfaces could help restore speech to people who've lost the ability to talk, or even allow direct communication between the human brain and artificial intelligence systems.
We probably won't even remember what it felt like to doubt it. Brain-computer interfaces, merging mind and machine. Perhaps one of the most startling frontiers is the development of brain-computer interfaces. Scientists are now creating devices that can be implanted directly into the human brain, allowing signals from neurons to be translated into digital commands. Early trials have already shown paralyzed patients regaining the ability to move robotic limbs, type messages, or control computer cursors using nothing but their
powering
thoughts.
a new world. Meanwhile, renewable energy technology continues to advance, with solar panels becoming more efficient and affordable, and battery storage technology improving rapidly. This progress could soon allow entire cities to run on clean, sustainable energy, reducing dependence on fossil fuels and reshaping global economies in the process. Why this matters? Each of these innovations shares something in common with that 1876 telephone demonstration. They sound implausible today, yet they're grounded in real science happening in labs and research centers right now. The pattern of human disbelief followed by rapid adaptation hasn't changed. Renewable Only energy, the technology
powering
has. A new world. Meanwhile, renewable energy technology continues to advance, with solar panels becoming more efficient and affordable, and battery storage technology improving rapidly. This progress could soon allow entire cities to run on clean, sustainable energy, reducing dependence on fossil fuels and reshaping global economies in the process. Why this matters? Each of these innovations shares something in common with that 1876 telephone demonstration. They sound implausible today, yet they're grounded in real science happening in labs and research centers right now. The pattern of human disbelief followed by rapid adaptation hasn't changed.
Quantum
Only
computing,
the
a
technology
new
has.
kind of power. Then there's quantum computing, a technology so different from traditional computers that it challenges our basic understanding of information itself. While regular computers process information in binary, ones and zeros, quantum computers use particles that can exist in multiple states simultaneously. This allows them to solve certain complex problems, like simulating molecular structures or optimizing massive data sets at speeds classical computers simply cannot match. Companies and governments around the world are racing to build practical quantum computers, and breakthroughs in this field could revolutionize medicine, cybersecurity, and material
Just as
science.
people
within
once
our
doubted that
lifetime.
electricity could power entire cities, many are skeptical about the implications of editing human genetics. But history suggests skepticism rarely stops progress. It only delays our adjustment to it. Artificial intelligence, beyond human limits. Artificial intelligence is advancing at a pace that even experts find difficult to predict. AI systems can now diagnose certain diseases more accurately than trained doctors, write complex code, generate realistic images, and hold conversations that feel remarkably human. Machine learning models are being used to discover new medicines, predict natural disasters, and optimize energy usage across entire cities. Just a decade ago, the idea of a computer program writing a novel or composing music indistinguishable from human work would have seemed absurd. Today,
here we
it's
are,
happening
living in a
real
world
time.
completely shaped by those impossible ideas. We carry telephones in our pockets that do far more than transmit voice. They connect us to the entire planet instantly. We fly across continents in hours. We flip a switch and light fills a room without a second thought. This pattern repeats again and again. Humanity doubts, then humanity adapts, and eventually, the impossible becomes ordinary. Today, we stand at the edge of another one of these moments. Gene editing, rewriting life itself. Consider CRISPR gene editing technology. Scientists can now edit DNA with remarkable precision, opening the door to eliminating inherited genetic diseases before a child is even born. Conditions that were once considered permanent and untreatable may soon become preventable. This isn't distant science fiction. Clinical trials are already underway, testing treatments for diseases like sickle cell anemia and
Innovation
certain
set
inherited
to
forms of
shock us
blindness.
again. In 1876, people laughed when someone claimed that voice could travel through a wire. They called it absurd, even impossible. That same joke became the foundation of the telephone, and eventually the smartphones we can't live without today. Science is about to shock us again, and this time the changes coming might be even harder to believe.